Options: document properties, units, millimeters. Take front plane, normal to sketch circle of radius equal to 72. Features: extruded bores to a thickness of 12 mm. You take front plane, normal to sketch center rectangle, smart dimensions 22, 24. Features: extruded bores, extruded up to surface, the surface. Okay. Now select this plane, normal to sketch a corner rectangle. Features: extruded bores up to the surface. Okay. Now you have to select top plane, normal to, now top plane, right plane, normal to, right plane, normal to sketch center rectangle. Smart dimensions, this dimension is 22, this dimension is 24. Features: extruded bores up to the surface, normal to sketch corner rectangle. Features: extruded bores up to the surface,